What is going on, guys? It is Parker here. A little different video today. I am super excited to let y'all know that Bonce sent me a few goodies to try out. Earlier this week, one of their guys hit me up and said they wanted to send me some of their equipment to try out, run some of my tests on them, and make a video, just like I normally do for all the other subs. Now, I already opened these, but I figured we'd do kind of a little unboxing just to show you what I got, so y'all can kind of see what we're going to be reviewing here in the near future. I have a big mess in here. Here are two more of my $100 subs I'm going to be reviewing soon. Not sure what order all these videos are going to go up, but yeah, got those sitting there. We're going to move those out of the way and then get right into these. Yeah, they sent me a sub and some speakers. Of course, going to show y'all what we got. First, let's get into this box. Now they sent me a shirt, which is awesome. Of course, Bonce, Apocalypse. Love it right there. Really, really love it. Very cool, plain white shirt, 100% cotton. So there's that. Then we got some keychains and some air fresheners. Definitely gonna be putting these in the car. They're pretty cool though. Of course, Bonce. So yeah, guys. I guess we'll pull the sub out first since we're here. Look at that. Very awesome. Let's go ahead and pull these speakers out too, and then we'll get a closer look up at everything. Cool. So we have two different kinds of speakers here. Let's get a closer look up at all this. So here is the sub, of course, the Bonce Apocalypse. This is the 272. This thing is awesome. Quality is just absolutely spectacular. Cannot wait to do a review on this for y'all, and of course put it to the test. I really love Bonce just because they make their stuff a little bit different. So many companies now, all their subs are kind of cookie cutter subs. They use same baskets and same designs and whatnot, which not necessarily a bad thing, but I do like seeing a sub that just really sets itself apart looks wise from the other subs. Of course, we're going to test it out and see if it performs as good or better than those subs, but at least we have a good start. Alright, let's look at these speakers. So they sent me two different speaker styles. I believe both should be 6.5s. But we have the AP M60A V2, which is the Arnold. And then we have the AP M61 SL, which is the Sylvester. So very, very cool there. Let's get these open and see what they look like. We have some little connectors. And we have some decals. Not sure if that'll pick up on camera, but gonna have to put those on the car. Ooh, that's a meaty little speaker. Okay. And then the Sylvester. Let's look and see what we got in here. Take a look at these. These guys, I'm just going to tell you right now, are huge. They're actually really pretty heavy. Look at that motor on a little 6.5-inch mid-range speaker. That is awesome. They have very, very cool connectors on there. It's not wanting to focus. Oh, now it's stuck. Oh, that's a lot of motor force. That is really, really cool, guys. Just so you can see these side by side. I bet these are going to sound awesome. This will be perfect for Project Sequoia. But let's get a quick look at the sub. Of course, this is not the review of it. We're going to be doing that in another video. But let's take a quick little look up at it. Nice high roll surround. Really, really nice high quality push terminals. We do have the flat sewn in tinsel leads. You all know I really, really love the flat tinsel leads. Something about them just looks and seems to perform really, really well. Super cool basket. Again, I love not just a cookie cutter basket like so many companies use. It's really their own design. It says little DB all down it. And then I believe this has a 2.75-inch voice coil. And it does have the black glue on it, so I'm sure it'll take plenty of heat. Nice, big motor over here. Of course, I'll have all the specs when I do the actual review. We got a dual 2-ohm sub, so that's awesome. Looks like we have at least 2 spiders. And then I love the green double stitching on it. Alright guys, just one more quick look up at these. Again, of course, there will be a full review on this here coming soon. And then it might be a few weeks before I have time to get these installed. But we're definitely going to be doing a review on them too. I might set up a little in-house system just so we can kind of play them in here. And you can see how they sound. But these things are awesome. I cannot get over the size of the motor on this bad boy. It is about as wide as the speaker itself. Alright guys, that was just a quick video. Was super excited to get these in and wanted to share that with y'all immediately. So thank y'all so much for watching. Stay tuned for reviews on those, and we got tons of other reviews coming up too. Of course, we'll see how these go. We'll see how I like the equipment. Obviously, if it doesn't perform well, I'll let y'all know, but from what I've seen from Bonce, it does seem to be a really stand-up company, and they do seem to make some awesome builds, so not too worried about that. But of course, we will find out. Definitely putting the subwoofer to the full test like I always do. So y'all stay tuned for that, guys. Anyway, y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace out.